Hello friends! Today we're taking a closer look at some of the best dish drying racks that can make your kitchen life so much easier. From space-saving over-the-sink designs to sleek, rust-resistant options, there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking to maximize your countertop space or simply keep things organized, I've got you covered. Hit that like button if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and product reviews. So friends, let's start the video.
Number 1. Tot Space-Saving Drying Rack. The OXO plastic Tot Space-Saving Drying Rack is designed for compact, efficient drying in any kitchen. Perfect for small spaces, it holds bottles, cups, and utensils upright for optimal drying. The angled design directs water back into the sink, keeping your counters clean. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it's safe and easy to clean. The removable top tray provides additional drying space and can be customized to fit your needs. Non-slip feet keep the rack stable on any surface. Its modern, sleek design blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Ideal for parents, it's perfect for drying baby bottles and accessories. Compact yet spacious, it keeps your kitchen organized.
Number 2. Sweet Home Collection Dish Drying Rack. The Sweet Home Collection 2-piece dish drying rack set. Drainer is a compact and efficient solution for your kitchen. This set includes a sturdy dish rack and a separate utensil holder, offering ample space for drying dishes and cutlery. Made from durable materials, it resists rust and stains, ensuring long-term use. The sleek design fits perfectly on most countertops, maximizing space. The rack's open-wire construction allows for quick drying. Non-slip rubber feet keep it stable during use. Easy to clean and maintain, it's ideal for small kitchens or limited spaces. Stylish and functional, it complements any kitchen decor.
Number 3. Aluminum Dish Rack. The OXO Good Grips aluminum dish rack combines durability with modern design for efficient kitchen organization. Made from rust-proof aluminum, it offers long-lasting use and a sleek appearance. The spacious rack can hold a variety of dishes, including plates, bowls, and cookware. An angled drain board directs water into the sink, keeping your countertops dry. The rack features non-slip feet for stability and a removable utensil holder for added convenience. Easy to clean and maintain, it's perfect for busy kitchens. The compact design maximizes space without compromising capacity. Ideal for those who value both form and function in their kitchen tools.
Number 4. Marybox Over-the-Sink Dish Drying Rack. The Marybox Over-the-Sink Dish Drying Rack offers a versatile and space-saving solution for your kitchen. Designed to fit securely over your sink, it allows water to drain directly, keeping your countertops dry. With multiple tiers and compartments, it provides ample storage for dishes, pots, and utensils. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last. The adjustable design accommodates different sink sizes, ensuring a perfect fit. Easy to assemble and disassemble, it's convenient for any kitchen setup. The sleek, modern design adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. Ideal for maximizing space and keeping your kitchen organized.
Number 5. Large Dish Rack Set. The Farberware 3-piece large dish rack set is designed for maximum efficiency in your kitchen. This set includes a spacious dish rack, a drain board, and a cutlery holder, providing ample space for drying dishes, glasses, and utensils. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, it ensures long-lasting use. The sloped drain board directs water into the sink, keeping your countertops dry and clean. The cutlery holder is removable for easy cleaning and organization. Non-slip feet keep the rack securely in place during use. Easy to assemble and maintain, this set is ideal for busy households. Its modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Perfect for those who need both functionality and style.